In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Pull this piece off, just use a trim tool, just pop it outwards. There is a clip right here, it actually stayed right there, and then another clip there. Set that aside. Using a pick, we're going to pop this cover off. Get in behind the cover and just pop it off. It's just clipped in. There's a screw right there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. Down here there's a screw. Pull that screw out. And then this whole piece comes right out. Using a trim tool, get underneath this bezel. Just pop it up. It slides up. You can disconnect the connectors. There's a push tab right there. Push down on that. If you need to, you can use a screwdriver or a pick. Slide that out. Disconnect the connector down here. Just slide the tab down. And slide the connector up. Using a trim tool, just go around the perimeter. Just with a, and just pop it out. There's just push pins all the way around. Pops out. Slide it up and out. You can disconnect the connector for the light right here. Push down on the tab. And slide that out. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. Slide that out. Using a 10mm socket, take these 3 nuts out. Before you take the last one out, hold the mirror. Just to prevent it from falling. Grab the mirror, slide it out, and pull the wiring harness out as well. And there it is. Take this cover. You can have it painted to match the vehicle. Then line it up very carefully and just clip that in place. Perfect. Because there's a clip right here, I'm just going to pop that out with a trim tool before we put the mirror on. That's going to go in the back of here. Take the mirror, slide the wiring through. Get this all lined up. Take the nuts, get those started. Snug those down. here, plug the connector in, lock it down. Take the door panel, you can connect the connector for the light. Line it up. We get the top in first near the window. With that all lined up, and just give it a tap into place all the way around. Grab the wiring harnesses. Connect the connector. Get that lined up, push it in, lock it down. Take the bezel, line that up, tap it down. Take this insert, the screw's already in there, line that up. Tighten the screw down. Oops, you get it lined up first. Just snug it down. Screw's going to go there. Take the other screw. Line that up, snug that down. The cover right here, grab the cover, lock it in place. Take this trim piece, line it up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.